Mia, do you want to set this one off? Hold it and let it go.
Not really.
Go on, Mia, go on, do it.
What do I do?
Just hold it.
You put it on.
And when it feels like it needs to let go, make sure you look.
I don't know when to let go.
When it wants to go, let go of it. You know when to let go.
That's why that was last.
You will know. Don't worry.
No, you will know.
Here, take a video of us. It's already recording.
It's recording.
Yeah, it's recording.
Who's got the lighter?
Acceleration. That's really going up.
Make sure you hold it up, yeah?
You're going to get that blood in someone's ass now.
Yeah, will you go up?
Wind it over. Top of the flame is the hot flame.
Take a picture of the world. I was texting you.
Right, stand here and hold it.
So yeah, I think I put my finger on top of it.
Did you?
Yeah, I didn't realise.
Don't worry.
I think you know what?
Chris, you haven't opened it up.
You have to open the
Oh shit, look.